here is how we can use the Apple Watch to the full potential. Okay, so it's a very broad topic, but let me give you my experience as an Apple Watch user practically since the Series 1. So yeah, let me show you how you can get the most out of your watch. Let's get started. If you're new here, definitely subscribe for more tips and explanations like this one. First of all, I would say that there are like the three parts of the watch which deliver information or that you can use to the fullest potential. At first, we have the watch face, which can be customized exactly the way that you need. So I'm going to show you my personal case. When I look at my Apple Watch like that, I just came up with this screen because obviously there are so many different like types of the Apple Watch which can display more or less information. But on the Apple Watch Ultra, I'm using the modular Ultra watch face, which gives me the ability to customize the complications as well as see the time very clearly. So in my case, to get the most out of it, I decided that I want to keep the time as large as I can because that's the primary use of my watch. And then there are 6 slots of information which I can see, right? Six circular widgets or complications. So essentially you can hold down on it, click on edit and customize it in a way that you see the information and have it quickly accessible and the exact stuff that you really need. So in my case, I use timer a lot. I can check the weather. I see the current battery charge, the activity status, sleep score, and like sleep data, as well as the world clock is right there. And these are all of the things which I check on my daily basis on the Apple Watch. So, I put it on the watch face so I can get the most out of it and use it to the full potential. Okay, so that's the first thing. The second approach or the second part of this are the built-in apps of the watch, because obviously a lot of people don't utilize the watch fully because there are, world clock apps and the timers, stopwatches, and all of the watch apps which are already built in and it deliver many features which some people do not even know about, right? So you can most definitely text on the Apple Watch and use the messages and so many things which you need to go through. Just go through the apps one by one. But then we also have the third-party apps which unlock like a new level of functionality for the watch. It's kind of hard to find the Apple Watch apps specifically, so in my case, I either look up some apps directly on the watch or go to the iPhone App Store and then find the apps section where I can filter through different categories. And one of the categories, if you scroll through it and at the top, is the Apple Watch apps, right? So you will have the ability to just tap there and see the best apps for Apple Watch in the different categories, and this just unlocks like a different level, as I said, because third-party apps can do even more than the built-in apps could ever do. But as you can notice, in my case on the watch face, I only use the built-in apps, so even without downloading anything, it's still very useful. So it really depends on what exactly you want to do with it, but let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. I'm gonna wrap up the video for now, and I will hopefully see you in the next videos too.